In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by opening Devices Settings. Following that, scroll down just a bit to access Display. Now scroll down again. Select text size and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!